This is my first review of this channel, so just open it up. So what do we have here? Well, I've put it upside down, sorry. So here it is. It's the Arduino kit. What's inside? Well, here we have a 4x4 button matrix. Just let me put it aside right now. Some jumper cables. And such a infrared receiver for infrared codes. Here we have a stepper motor, more jumper cables. Oh, and I forgot to mention we have some focus. We have some resistors here. 330 ohms. Some other basic components like a relay, condensators, transistors, LEDs, capacitors, push buttons, and a buzzer and a very small 7-segment thing. So here we have a power supply for a breadboard, 5 volt and 3.3 volts. Yeah, very basic. The stepper motor driver, the RFID card reader with a tag and the card for high frequency, a shield for the Mega. Here we have a real-time clock module, a 8x8 LED matrix, a temperature and humidity sensor, a DC motor, the HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor, a joystick. Here we have it's a sound module. Well, here we have it, the Arduino Mega clone. Such a module, a 16x2 LCD in blue with I2C a breadboard, a servo motor with a cable which I can't use because I live in the EU and we don't use such a connector. So, well, but okay. We have a such a remote control. Oh, that's a water level sensor. Cable to connect a battery with the Arduino. rotary encoder, a USB cable, and a motion controller. And we also have some more resistors. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe in order to see more videos.